Hey guys, it's Christine from Skylar Body.
And it's Lola, welcome back.
So today we're going to be talking to you guys about sort of perfume fragrance hacks and tips and tricks that we found that make your scent last all day and good storage tips, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
Awesome. Hack number 1, spray your perfume or fragrance after you shower, because what I found is that when your pores are open from the nice
Skin's
warm
kinda
shower,
damp.
and your skin is damp, it actually helps to keep the fragrance lasting on your skin longer and helps absorb it. So it actually keeps your scent lasting all day, which is really great. Yeah. Hack number 2 is put on lotion before you put on your fragrance or your perfume. It actually helps to bind the scent particles onto your skin better. So it actually keeps your fragrance lasting all day if you put it after a lotion. So it's really cool.
Very good to know. Okay. Hack number 3 is to know where to spray your perfume. So most people just kind of spray and then walk into it, but actually the best thing to do is either spray your pulse points, which are like on your wrists and on your neck, because that's where your skin is thinnest. And so it generates the most heat, which is great because then like it changes the perfume and like it really adds the like final ingredient to the perfume, which is you, to make it smelling just like very perfect and very personal. And if you don't want to spray it on your skin, another great place to spray it is in your hair, which lasts a ton of time. But what you should do is you spray your brush like this. You can just do 1 or 2 spritzes, and then you just like comb it through your hair for perfect scent throughout the day. And it's really nice when you spray it in your hair because it just kind of like leaves a nice trail as you walk, and it's a great way to keep smelling nice all day.
So hack number 4 is that you should always layer your scents.
Yes.
So what we found is that if you have a base like Isle, which is really clean and fresh, and then you pair it with Meadow or Coral, that keeps your scent lasting all day because there's multiple layers to it. And so there's always going to be little hints of the fragrance that's going to take you throughout the entire night. So
more scent, more time. Yeah. Okay, hack number 5. So this is a big misconception that when you spray your perfume on your wrist, that you're supposed to rub your wrist together. You're not supposed to do that. We found that out actually only a couple days ago from our founder, Kat Chen. She told us that what you're supposed to do is spray it on your wrist and let it dry so that you're not bruising the scent molecules and changing how the fragrance is supposed to smell.
So for hack number 6, you should keep your fragrance in a cool and dry place. And the reason for that is you don't want to change the components of the fragrance, and you don't want it to overheat because that can actually change the way it smells on your skin. So always keep it in a cool, dry place and nothing that is too hot or nothing that'll change in temperature too much. So your bathroom counter is a great one, or anytime you put it in a cabinet is also great. So yeah.
Good to know. So hack number 7, our last hack, is to spray your clothes to have your perfume last all day. And you don't want to spray too close to your clothing because you don't want the perfume staining anything. But if you do a nice like far away spritz on the clothing just like this, it's the perfect way to make it last all day. Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, so we hope you guys enjoyed our 7 perfume hacks. And we have plenty more, so feel free to message or comment down below, and we would be happy to do a part 2 video for you guys.
Yeah.
But until next time,
don't forget to subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.